Good morning, Grzegorz, and today we start turning your engine 1H303. All turning good. On the front all looks good, as you can see. I didn't see any damages. And on this side all looks good as well. No damage, no broken. Compressor looking good, alternator looking good as well. And on the top all looks like so. I didn't see any damages. On the back side all looks good. The gearbox looking good as well. And on this side all looks good, no damage, no broken. Turbo is good condition, and underneath all looks like so. Turning the engine 1H303. Thank you.